Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. And let's discuss one by one like what happened and how the crash came on 4th June. And I'm already late, so I'll be very quick. So the very first thing is that how the crash, what were the signs and how we predicted it. So it's all there in this video I made. So you can go and check it out. So the very first thing is that yesterday. So yesterday I showed you in my EOD analysis video as well. So members channel I posted this the 3rd June at 2:21 p.m. Further fall can come since put buyers are active. On 3rd June the fall did not come. Market rallied even in the second half. I showed that this money flow bearish divergence, RSI bearish divergence. I all posted it on the Twitter profile as well. During the live market hours, and then today the fall came, so it was not a surprise. Today morning we shorted Nifty, and so bought puts and also shorted calls. So first shorted calls 22,000 C, shorted at 200, and then again shorted at 270. So this went worthless, so you can go and read. So after this, look at the time. So 9:38, so 9:42. So I clearly said that the fall should happen. So let's go and check the charts where for 9:41. So 9:41, if you look at Nifty, so the main trades were done in Nifty. So here was Nifty from 9:30, after it went up little till 10:10. Okay, so during that period, heavy put buying was going on, and we also bought puts, as you can see here, and I said clearly that we are again going to fall. So we bought puts and finally closed them at a profit. I closed it very early. Okay, so I did regret it, but again I made it up. So overall I am getting more than 3x, so I'm very happy with that. So finally no regret, but yes, morning there was a regret because after that huge fall came. So even after that also bought puts and closed it, and also shorted calls, more calls here. So all calls were shorted at 3 digits and they expired worthless, zero. Okay, so this is where 22,100, 22,200. So they were shorted, and then this next trade was shared on Twitter as well. So as you can see here, this one, so let me show you here. Here, so coming down here, this was the this was okay, so this was the tweet. So again 21,400. okay, so when the again Nifty was coming up here, everyone thought that we are going to rally up in the second half. Then exactly at the top, okay, so look at the time of the tweet. So where was it? Here. So 21,400 P bought at 330, and then again bought it at 250. The average was 290. Okay, so look at the time here, 152. Okay, let's look at where Nifty was at 152. So 1350, this is the candle from 1350 to 1355, just right at the top I shorted. Okay, why? Because the big guys, the HFT traders, were again present there. They were buying puts. We bought puts, and then again that price, which was at an average price of 290, that went more than 600. Nifty fell, okay, to the next level again. So the levels worked wonderfully, and not only that, we caught the big guys perfectly. And yes, I'm not claiming that I captured the whole move. The price went more than 2x, but I closed it at 410. Okay, so anyways, I hope the analysis helped you all. And talking about the overall summary, as you can see here, 6 times options were bought and all went with 100% accuracy. And option selling as well, we're giving every option selling we did were at 3 digits. So this was the best one. We shorted it at 200 as well as 270, and finally it ends worthless. And so all were shorted at 3 digits and ends worthless. So overall we got more than 3x. So as you can see, again, if someone would have showed me that, see, this guy is doing such a nice job, I would have said that this is fake, this is not possible, this is unrealistic. Okay, so again, let me tell you this, that I'm doing nothing fake. There are the members. If I do anything fake, guys, so there is this open challenge that if I delete any messages that went wrong, or if I edit, first of all, there is no edited message as you can see here, otherwise it would have been shortly written below the message edited. So no edited message, no deleted message as well, because if something went wrong and it deleted it, okay, and if I'm showing something else or some other groups where members are not present, so I would have to return the members 10x of what they paid me. If they have paid me 15,000, so I would have to pay them back 1,50,000. So that's not a joke. So I would go broke. Anyways, so I can't fake anything. Okay. So anyways, those who think that this is fake, so I can't help it. Anyways, if you think fake, ignore it. Just see what I posted during the live market hours on X or Twitter. So Elon Musk is not my brother or my friend. So look at the timestamp, look at the charts and match it. Okay. So just believe what you see on Twitter. So now coming down to our money flow indicator, morning score were heavily negative, and then a little bit of neutral zone, and then again heavily negative scores. And I have uploaded it in the drive as well, the link of which is in the description below, where you get all the past money flow data charts. You can go and check times with the timestamp how it performed. Okay, so again Bank Nifty as well, morning heavily negative, and again then it went heavily negative as well. So money flow worked perfectly, and giving us the morning sign of bearishness, and we also caught the heavy put buyers. Okay, not only yesterday but today in the morning as well. And yes, now let's talk about the next. So tomorrow, mainly not tomorrow, today, so it's kind of 2:17 a.m. so I'm making this video. So I was just celebrating, that's why I couldn't make the video in the evening. So it was a bearish day, and my evening was having beer. So beer day, beer evening. So jokes apart, coming down to FI's futures data points. Here we have like FIIs, they are closing their long positions. Okay, so almost what they made those long positions yesterday, they closed it today, and they have initiated almost near about 1 lakh, or let's say 91,000 future short positions. Okay, but on the other hand, these prop decks have come and they have made long positions, and we are having now a contradictory statement in the futures, because nowadays what happens is that though the FIIs are shorting with heavy quantity in the futures, but still sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. So we can't actually totally rely upon that. But on the other hand, whatever prop desk is doing, like, it's working totally in their favor. So anyways, coming down to the option chain, let's see what's in the option chain. Option chain, if you see, no put writing by the FIIs or the prop decks, but heavy put buying by the FIIs, and heavy call writing by the FIIs. On the other hand, prop decks, they did not do any put buying or put writing. They did heavy, very heavy call writing. Okay, so that's what I am saying, 3 times heavy, because it's like a very heavy amount of call writing they did. So call writers would be favorable. Now if market comes up, so that's why my final verdict would be sell on rise, because prop decks and FIIs overall, they have a huge quantity of call writing positions, as you can see. But again, on the other hand as well, they have put writing positions as well. So overall, if you see their positions, so they are like call writers and put writers, both prop decks and FIIs. Okay, so no put buyers or call buyers. So put writers as well as call writers. But just for today's option chain data, if you see, FIIs are put buyers, not they haven't initiated any put writing. So that's the overall scenario. So my final verdict would be sell on rise, and I hope you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, and even the days before yesterday's analysis. I've been kept on saying that these big guys are making straddles, they are not shorting. Market shot up, market has to come down, it has to give a sharp fall. So I hope I did my best to warn you all. And talking about our levels, now again back to our levels, they are working perfectly fine, as you can see. So we have discussed these levels, you can note them down. Earlier we have discussed them a lot. So tomorrow I'm going to follow these levels along with my skills of catching the HFT guys. And again, if you want to be a member, so you get you can do so. You can get access to these money flow indicators, and also you get access to the Telegram channel where you get these trades, my live trades of these catching these big guys. And again, this is the same Telegram channel, guys. So that's the thing. And yes, again, these are the levels for Bank Nifty, and these are the levels for Fin Nifty. So everything is working great. So again, let's see how Bank Nifty expiry goes tomorrow. And yeah, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.